Hey kids, it's me Jazz, and I love to exercise. And when you put them together, what do you get? That's right, Jazzercise! And today, I'm writing using a special code called Morse Code, named after Samuel Morse, who invented it in the 1800s, which is a very long time ago. It was even before we have telephones, like we do today. Each letter of the alphabet, and each number, has a code of dots and dashes, like so. The way it works is that the dots are short, like this, and the dashes are long, like this. Samuel Morse also invented a special machine called a telegraph. It looks like this. This is how people communicated over long distances because remember, there were no telephones. This is how the telegraph sounded. Can you hear the differences in the dots and the dashes? You can even communicate by blinking. Can you guess what word I'm communicating now? That's right, I communicated Jazz, my name. You ready? It goes like this. The J is dot, dash, dash, dash. And the A is dot, dash. And the Z is dash, dash, dot, dot. Maybe you could have a try at Morse code too. Or have a conversation by blinking with your friends. Just not during class time. Bye everybody!